Complete Water Solutions is a highly experienced equipment supplier and servicer of commercial and industrial water treatment equipment. Our entire team is keenly focused on offering superior customer service while offering solutions that best serve our clients. Complete Water Solutions has an extensive line of equipment when it comes to your water treatment needs. We understand that each customer has a unique set of goals and requirements when it comes to water treatment. This is why the Complete Water Solutions team has developed a vast knowledge base for all the key water treatment components and equipment, including media filtration, carbon filters, DI water systems, UV systems, iron and arsenic removal, radium removal systems, water softeners, reverse osmosis, just to name a few. Along with offering the right equipment solutions, we offer services that fully support our client water treatment needs. When experience and time matter, Complete Water Solutions has a highly trained and skilled service team. Some of our services include emergency services, demo and installation of equipment, upgrades to existing equipment, on-site repairs and maintenance, both on-site and off-site training, preventative maintenance programs, phone tech support. Conveniently located in the Midwest, near major shipping and transportation hubs, Complete Water Solutions is closer than you think, with the best equipment and individualized services. Are you looking for the best options for your water treatment needs? Contact the professionals at Complete Water Solutions. Call us today at 855-787-4200. Visit us online at complete-water.com.